Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're driving into Negril, and Negril is one of the top tourist destinations in the world. It's in Westmoreland, which is the westerlymost parish, and it's right on the coast. Negril is literally on the western coast of Jamaica, and what makes Negril so special is its beach. It's like 7 miles of the best beach you will ever see anywhere in the world. So you're going to find hundreds of hotels built along the beach or very close to the beach. So we're going to take a tour through Negril in Westmoreland now. And a lot of the 5-star hotels all around the world, they have locations here in Negril. So we are on the Norman Manley Boulevard, and this road takes us right through Negril. Okay, this is the second on the right, is the second real location in Negril. Rio has hotels all over the world, and they have 2 locations in Negril. They also have in Montego Bay and Ocho Rios. They have 1 each there, but Negril is such a big tourist destination that they have 2. Okay, there you can see a tour bus leaving, I think that's beaches, couples. On the left is the Negril Aerodrome. On the right is, on the left is the craft market. Now most of the hotels on this side are all inclusive. So unless you go into like Dunn's River or some attraction, persons just stay on the compound. Okay, that's Royalton, Couples, Hedonism, all those hotels are there on the right. Okay, this is Sandals on the right. And Sandals has, I think, 2 or 3 locations in Negril. And these hotels, they're very large, thousands of rooms. And there are more hotels on the right now. Now you're going to find, like, as we get closer to Negril, the town center, you're going to find the smaller hotels because they don't have the space. But as you go further towards where we're coming from a while ago, you have a lot more space, so you can build a larger hotel. Okay, this is Azul Beach Resort on the right, and on the left is the Cool Runnings water park. It's very popular. And I think it is the largest water park in Jamaica. So from where we started the video to where we're going to end it, it's all beach on the coast. That's the part of the Negril beach, the coastline. Here we now entering Westmoreland. So Negril starts. It takes up two parishes the way the beach is so big. It goes between Hanover and Westmoreland, the beach. Okay, on the right is beaches. You guys can see the amount of hotels that are in Negril. We just call the name of some of the larger ones, but on the left and the right now are all hotels. Okay, it's a plaza on the left. It has the NCB Bank, which is one of the nicer ones. And I also saw a sign that said Hilo coming soon. And Hilo actually had two other locations in Negril. I know they had closed the first one, the one that actually had the Hilo name on it. There was a second one that was owned by Hilo, but it had a different name. I don't remember the name now, but it looks like they're opening up another Hilo in the new plaza. The Hilo that closed was on the west end. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Remember to like, share and subscribe. Have a good day.